Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in the video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Drag and drop abstract intro number 8. One is for each corner, and this one is for left bottom. And all you have to do is connect to the media out, press 2 on the keyboard for media out, and when I close this and scroll on the timeline, you will see the animation. Wait few seconds to render, and this is basically it. When you ungroup, as you can see here, I included notes, and you can read here what to do. Basically, you have 3 particle emitters. This is for the amount. When you go on the frame 0, you will have 10,000 particles. You can increase the number, decrease, depending on what you want. Then it will go inside the turbulence. Here you can change the speed and adjust the shapes with the different seed. If you go here on this keyframe, you can adjust the strength, then it will change the shape much faster or slower, depending how you change the number, increase or decrease the strength. And then this go inside the merge, and here this is the friction. You don't need to change because this is optimal for this 10 seconds, 60 fps. And then go inside the renderer. This is only for rendering particles. Camera is animated. You can adjust here if you wish. Go inside the renderer and do glows with rotation. I will show you here how you do rotation. And text, obviously you can change it, and everything go inside the media out. Alright, when you scroll a little bit, for example to 200 frame, you will see these 3 shapes. If you don't want 3, you want only 1 shape or 2 shapes, all you have to do is disconnect, and now you have only 1 shape. When you scroll a little bit more, then click on this turbulence and click recede. This will change the shape. Wait few seconds to render. As you can see, it's changing the shape. This is how you change the shape. Okay, next the camera animated the going from the left right. You can adjust this however you want. In this merge here, from which corner will go. For example, now you have left bottom, and when you uncheck this, it will go from the top left, and when you flip, again from the right top, and from the right bottom. And all you have to do is to change the shape, go inside the turbulence, wait few seconds, and now you have for the green. For the color, go inside the particle emitter and change the color here. And you will see in a few seconds. Boom, that's it. If you want from top left, uncheck everything, and it's going from the top left. Very easy. Or you can just go on FX Library again and just drag which one you want. Left bottom, left top, right bottom, or right top. Just like this. Connect. Wait few seconds, and now you have the animation here on the top right corner. I have to just say that you have to use the fusion composition that is 10 seconds long and 600 frames. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.